Now boarding Solo Flight with Nicole Anderson. Hey guys, welcome to Solo Flight with Nicole Anderson. I am so excited that this is going to be our first guest episode. Now, a lot of you guys know her for being a pillar in the dermatological industry, not just in the Philippines, but this woman, this powerhouse of a woman, has literally won awards around the world. But we're not going to be talking about that today. I'm actually really excited to show you guys and peel back a layer of Doc Vicky Bello that I have had the privilege to see from time to time. You guys know I've been a Bello baby for a few years now, but it really is in the moments where we are just hanging out either at a restaurant one-on-one or we're hanging out in her house. And I really love learning from all of her life experiences. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. I don't want to give too much away, but guys, this episode is so juicy. I'm so excited for you guys to hear and really get to know the woman behind the name. So without further ado, here's our first guest episode. All right, we're officially rolling. Hi, Doc.
Hello, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Welcome to the podcast, everyone. We are now talking to the woman who needs no introduction, Doc Vicky Bello.
Hi, everyone. Yeah, no introduction because I've already been here for such a long time on Earth.
No, it's not that. I think, Doc, it's because you have built such a strong brand already. And diba, a lot of people, whenever I host your events, we always joke na your name has already become a verb.
Yes, magpabelo ka.
Magpabelo ka, ibelo mo na yan.
Buti naman nagbelo ka na finally. She
Ayun
saw
na
the
nga.
light.
At saka, ikinaganda ko naman.
Oh, yeah. I love the way you explain the lip fillers. How is it, by the way? You
Thank
happy?
you. Yes, I'm
Kasi
happy.
nga, don't talk. Ang ganda.
Hindi ko
Yan
pa
ang
na-test run.
natural. Ay, wala pa tayong kissing Kasi we pride ourselves na our fillers on the lips are different, of course, from the cheek and stuff na. Parang it will feel so natural.
Softer.
And softer so you can kiss well. So, alam mo podcast niya, but I'm not gonna let her interview. I'll interview her. So,
Feel free, Doc.
how was your Christmas? Meron ka bang love life this last few months?
Zero.
Bakit? You're dating a lot, I heard.
Okay, I'll admit. Oh my God, am I gonna admit? Agad-agad. We're not even 2 minutes in. We're admitting na. I was last year, but I realized na burn out ako, napagod ako.
Sa kakadate.
Yeah, so...
So everybody, ano ba nangyayari pag nagiging single ang isang napakagandang girl na popular? Do all your friends come in and start pairing you up with people?
A lot of them do. A lot of them have their kanya-kanyang manok. Doc, ba't ikaw nag-interview agad?
I'm so bored with myself. So anyway, sabi mo I can interview you.
So they have nga everyone. Everyone has someone.
Manok.
Yes, everyone has their own manok. But I just realized that after a while of talking to them, it wasn't the right fit. So I said, okay, let's just start the new year fresh. I want to focus on me. I want to focus on this podcast. This is something I've been wanting to do for a long time. And you actually have been talking to me about it also. You're like, mag-podcast ka na, diba? You also said.
Yes.
So I was like, you know what? It's about time. Tsaka na kayo.
Aba, okay. Yan ang attitude, by the way, everyone. Dapat ganun ang attitude mo.
Exactly.
Kasi nakikita ko, people get kind of desperate. Like, nafe-feel ng lalaki yon. The other day, I was giving advice to someone. She was dating somebody for like 4 months.
Oh, wow. Okay.
And she's already 37. So medyo, she used to be chubby.
Okay.
And then she lost a lot of weight. And so now she's so sexy. And bigla na lang mga lalaki talaga, they always tell you it's not about the outside, pero promise, it's about the outside. And then they'll look into your inside. Pero kung chubby ka, medyo hindi pa sila interesado sa'yo until you lose the weight. And she's wonderful, but so, kasi she feels a time, diba? The clock is ticking.
She feels the
she
pressure.
also froze her eggs.
Oh, very good.
Feeling niya, dapat pa rin, before 40, mga anak na siya. So, she asked my advice and she asked me if she should ask him where we going.
Okay.
The guy is very matino, texts her all the time, calls her in the morning, calls her in the middle of the day, calls her at night. Pero hindi pa rin siya. Parang, no, you have to define what are we doing. Are we going towards marriage? Ganun. Okay, that's the pinakamaling gagawin mo.
And paano ba dapat, Doc?
Wala, you should always think that you're the prize. And
Okay.
he's very lucky to have you in his life. Okay? Because you're very nice. I mean, it's not you're gonna be mayabang, although guys like mayabang girls, right?
They
But
do?
Yung mga I don't need you type, ako, challenge. You know, men are really hunters.
Okay.
It's still that. And then if you try to peg them, I mean, he was acting like everything's okay, right?
Okay.
But guys sometimes get really scared. When you put them, hindi pa sila ready, 4 months is not enough to
Mapapanic.
choose a wife, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah, she asked him anyway, against my good advice, nawala yung guy.
Nawala.
Natakot. O
Okay.
yun. So, ayan. So, I'm glad you're not like that.
So don't ask.
Sorry.
Actually, ako nga yung naa-ask.
Maganda yun.
Ako yung naa-ask. And I'm like,
At that point, kasi a lot of your friends are married, di ba?
Yes, actually all.
Yung mga ka-age mo.
Parang
medyo-
dalawa na lang kaming naiwan. Parang
okay,
ganon.
so hindi ka nang papanik kasi
Hindi.
dalawa na lang kayo naiwan.
Hindi, kasi happy na ako na na-freeze ko na yung ex ko eh. So okay na.
So the bottom line is what's important to you is to have children. Healthy, God-willing children.
Yes.
And-
No, actually, you know what? Not even that, Doc. Like, I think that, yes, it's important to have children, but I also feel that it's really important to choose the right partner. And speaking of which, let's get into that, right? Because to this day, I get a lot of DMs from all my fans and followers. A lot of them are going through breakups and
Ano
malala
ba
pa sa
nangyayari
kanila.
ngayon?
I
Last
know,
year,
breakup
grabe, no?
season.
December.
Yeah.
Hanggang ngayon yata
Yung
eh.
iba 8 years, yung iba like some of my followers 12 years, 11 years, and they're going through breakups, or they're also calling off weddings. And they're asking for advice. But I feel like I look at people like you and I look to you for advice because you've actually gone through something, in my opinion, is more difficult, which is a divorce.
Right.
Right?
Well, walang divorce sa Philippines, so
So it was annulment.
it was an annulment.
Yeah.
Yes, after being together for 17 years.
Okay, so at that point, you also had children involved na. So
yes.
it's even more difficult. How do you pick yourself up after that?
Actually, the reason I'm saying 17 years is because we dated for 4 years before.
right.
And then we were together for 13.
Yeah.
But diba? So I got annulled. I got separated at 32.
Okay.
No, 33. I got married at, I guess it's 16 years. I got married at 22.
Okay. Also very young.
And then plus 4 years, yan. Basta 5 years, so 16 years. But I said, when you enter a relationship, especially a marriage, you're so idealistic. Diba?
Yes.
And I really, so sad because I really wanted to be the best wife, best mother. My medical career was supposed to be sidelined. Diba?
Oh, okay.
Kasi I wanted to be a doctor, but I never intended for it to be my life's profession.
Yeah.
I just wanted to be a doctor, so I have something to help people, ganyan. Pero my goal in life was to be the best mother and the best wife possible. And it really takes two to tango, right? Even if you do
Yes.
all your best, pero yung partner mo naman, medyo hindi interesado sa... He's very nice. He's really nice.
And you
we're
guys are
still good friends.
yeah.
But he didn't mean his vows to be faithful.
Yeah.
From the very beginning naman, he never intended to
Oh
be.
no, so paano?
So, for me naman, as an adopted child, it's the worst person you can pick to be unfaithful to. Because when you're adopted, you feel na nga, even your own parents didn't love you, pinamigay ka na nga. Tapos you can't even count on your husband to be faithful. Parang it's too painful. It's, I think, triple the pain
Yes.
of somebody, let's say you grew up to be so loved by your parents.
Yeah.
You're a little more secure.
Yeah.
And then when you get to a marriage, parang, I think I would have been able to handle it like, may problema ka.
Yeah.
Diba?
Parang,
But-
I'm not the problem here, it's you.
Yeah, of course, it's always both people's problems, but I
Yeah.
tried my best kasi. And then but I thought there was something wrong with me, right? Na parang, but hindi ko I did my best na and my best is not good enough.
Yeah.
So kakanta na po ako. But but I can't sing. So, when I split up, talagang grabe ang insecurity. And then I had 2 children, but I couldn't take, you know what I really hate more than, but I can't be the person who checks phones. I can't be the person who's always
never
calling,
check.
where are you? Since he was fooling around, my first instinct actually is like, anything you can do, I can do better.
You're palaban,
So, I'm
Doc.
palaban. So, date
Wait,
naman ako
so,
ng date.
so kasal pa kayo?
Well, separated na kami. And so, ano nangyari nun? When I found out, I told him, ganito pala yun. I also need honesty.
Okay.
Actually, I can forgive. Basta you tell me everything. The other thing I think is my ego is so high that I can't. Kunyari, you dated him. And we're friends, Nicole.
Okay.
I didn't know.
Okay.
So in my mind, you're laughing at me.
Why?
Kasi Because she dated my husband while we were married, and so I'm tanga. Gets mo?
Okay.
So I hate that feeling, and then now I'm planning of everyone na parang baka she dated him. And then I'm so tanga. So my
Okay.
number one requirement is you tell me everything.
Oh my God, we're the same.
Oh yeah, tell me everything, and then it shows to me you're really sorry, and then we can start again. So with him, deny
Okay.
to die. Sabi ko, okay, I'm leaving for 2 weeks, and you better think about it, because if you're not going to admit anything, I will never trust you again.
This was
and
your
so
married pa.
therefore, yeah, we cannot move forward.
So you even gave him a chance.
Yeah, I did for
Okay.
2 weeks. And when I came back, ayaw pa rin. Can't we just start now? Again? Forgive na lang everything.
Yeah.
I said, no nga. Because sincerity, you have to confess. He never did.
Okay.
You know when he confessed na lang?
When?
More or less. 2 years ago.
Oh my gosh.
Parang
at
labo.
least umabin pa rin.
No, it's not that. He just told me. Kasi when I was fooling around, I said, excuse me, did
Yeah.
you just say that you were fooling? And he looked at me, I said, do you know?
Yeah.
Because we've been separated since 33 years. I said, you never admitted to me that
So when you walked away from that first marriage,
Mm-hmm.
how I know you're a very prayerful woman, but aside from leaving it all to God, like what actionable steps did you take? Did you go on sabbatical? Did you
Ay,
travel?
nako, I did something very wrong.
What?
Which I advise all of you not to do. So, the biggest hurdle here is the pain.
Yes.
Because it's very, very painful. It's not just that you've lost somebody you loved, it's also the ego that's very hurting.
Yes.
Tama ba yung English ko? I don't think so. But anyway, but you can't tell the difference.
Ego.
So it's the ego. But I thought it was my heartbreaking, and I couldn't stand the pain. Kasi you really, gising ka na umaga, sakit-sakit, hindi ka makaisip. Of course, I buried myself in work.
Yeah.
But I also started dating. Kasi a psychologist told me, it takes half the time you're together to get over the relationship.
I don't have that time.
Half, right? So if we were
Yeah.
together 15 years, it would take me 7.5 years.
Who has that time?
Who has that time?
Yeah.
And I said, no, that's not true. You know?
Challenge accepted.
Challenge accepted. I will spoil myself.
Okay.
I will do anything I want. I will shop till I drop. Doon nag-umpisa yung shopping addiction ko. I will shop, I will travel. Buti naman my clinic was doing well. I will travel, I will date. Kasi tingnan mo naman, I'm only 32. So, I won't feel the pain.
So you were
So I
pouring
did that.
into your own cup.
Right. So I was just doing that, and you have fun and you think you're okay until you stop. And then everything you have to go through the trenches.
Okay.
There's no way you might postpone it unless you're the one who fooled around. Because I don't, and the worst thing is you see your husband happy. I mean, parang he's dating up a
Yes, it's like
store.
salt on the wound.
Yeah, and since he wasn't the one who he was the one who fooled around. I'm the one who's hurt. My ego's hurt. Mga ano. So parang he didn't feel anything.
True.
Ako naman sobrang, parang ayoko kasi mag-suffer, pero nag-suffer pa talaga ako. So
Yeah.
I finally faced the music. And it didn't take me 7.5 years, but it took 6 years
Okay.
of no pain na talaga. Even if I dated, even if I had a boyfriend, even if
Yeah.
everything. Parang I guess when I split up, I was still praying
Okay.
that magising siya one day. And ma-realize niya na importante pala yung family niya and yung wife niya, and that I was okay, I was a good wife. And he'll come back and beg.
Okay.
But he never did.
But kasi parang that was your ego din.
That's my ego. And
Yeah.
with him naman, his drama is, because until, parang he said, you kicked me out of the house. Ano bang akala nyo, guys?
Oo.
Hindi namin kayo ikikick out.
Syempre.
So when I asked him out to leave, that's so insulting. Di ba? So parang hindi raw siya babalik. Kasi,
So, na-ego
ewan
din
ko
siya.
kung kalokohan lang niya yun.
Yung ego
yeah,
din
but
niya.
until today
Okay.
nga, kasi there's never a day before that went by that he wouldn't call me.
Yeah.
There's never a day that would go by that he wouldn't text me for years. So we've been split 33 years. Siguro, I would say since he got married lang 5 years ago, he stopped that. But for
Okay.
every day, so parang feeling mo, ano ba to? Hindi ko mag-get. So bakit text ng text, tawag ng tawag, bisita na bisita. And when he comes, he wants to talk to me, not the kids.
Oh.
So sabi ko, I can feel naman, may feelings, pero ayaw talagang gumalaw.
Oo.
Then he said, because you kicked me out. Oh, anyway, in the end, it's really better we're friends. But I
Friendship.
finally got over that whole ego thing.
Yeah.
Then I realized, okay, of course, I was heartbroken, mahal ko siya. Pero more than half was that you fooled around on me
Yeah.
and you left and we split up, then you're not missing me.
Yeah.
Wow, ang sakit nun.
Oo nga. You know, a lot of people know you for the successful career woman that you are now and the brand that you've built. But let's go back to your childhood a little bit, just and get to know, you know, little Victoria.
Little Victoria Bello.
Yeah. So
Little-
what were you like as a kid? Were you shy, rebellious?
Okay, so I think I was extremely shy because I felt, you know, I had gone to Assumption and they were teasing me because my sisters, I'm adopted by
Okay.
my mom's sister. So my biological mom, ito na yata yung surrogacy of old.
Okay.
My biological mom had 9 kids.
Oh, wow.
And her sister had no kids.
Okay.
But by the time it was my turn, I was the 5th pregnancy. But she had 3 girls and 1 boy.
Okay.
So her sister said, "Can you give us a child?" Diba? Kasi we have no children. We've been
Yeah.
married for 9 years. And she said, "Okay, I'll give you this child that I'm carrying.
Yeah.
If this child, wala pang ultrasound doon, hindi pa nila alam kung lalaki
Hindi nila
ka o babae.
alam.
If she's a girl, since I already have 3 girls, I
Yeah.
can give her to you.
Okay.
If it's a boy, I'll keep him because I need to add boys to mine. Diba? They always want to match.
Yeah, yeah.
So when I came out a girl, I was given to the Bellows. So my original name was Cancho.
Okay.
And I was given to the Bellows, and then I was adopted naman legally. And I really feel, looking back now, when you connect the dots, that my name, I needed to be a Bello because it means beautiful.
Exactly.
Yeah, so I had to be a doctor of beauty. But in that my young life, I was made fun of by my classmates because they would ask, what does adopted mean? And I guess a simple explanation would be pinamigay ng parents sa ibang family.
Yeah.
And then the children would say, why would parents give away their kids, right? Because it's not
That's
normal.
true, yeah.
And they say, well, you know, maybe they didn't have kids or whatever. But they would ask me, and their question would be formulated, na, why did they give you away? Because you're ugly.
In school?
And then cry naman ako, I was 5, di ba? Hindi, it's not because she's ugly, it's because she's so mataba. Oh my God.
Oh my God,
So sabi
so
ko,
mean.
pero the lesson there at 5 was that if you're pangit and mataba, pinabibigay ka.
Oh, that's
So,
what tumatak sa'yo as
That's
a
what
kid.
tumat- 5
Yeah,
years old, that's your
syempre.
logical conclusion.
Yeah.
So, I felt very ugly. So, I would never have a picture. I didn't want to talk to people because I'm
Yeah.
ugly, whatever. But then that really propelled me to want to have a career in making people beautiful.
Did it
Diba?
make you want to almost excel and prove to them? Was that also parang, was there some
Yes,
motivation?
there's also that, what do you call that?
Hugot.
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 So, hugot is, number 1, you gave the wrong child away. I want to
Yeah.
show you I'm successful. Number 2,
Watch me.
I'm
Diba
as
ganon?
good as any guy. Just because I'm a
Yes.
girl, you're gonna give me away. Of course, that
Exactly.
wasn't the reason, pero ganun pa rin ang tata. And 3, I also had a big fear that ibabalik ako. Diba? So, if I'm not mabait, if I'm not studious, if I'm not getting good grades, if I'm not successful, baka they'll say, ay, pangit naman itong nakuha namin. We'll give her back.
So you almost felt like you had to perform or earn.
earn
Earn
the
that
love, which
position
is
and that
really
love.
the wrong thing. So I learned that early, that I should earn people's love. So I'm always, you know, because of course I was an only child, so I would even perform for my parents, the Bello parents, kasi, you know, that's why I'm so talkative.
Oh my God,
because I'm always trying to
same.
be the life of the party, na parang hindi kayo mabored, baka ibabalik niyo ako, or you know, that sort of thing, na parang. And my dad always said, when you go to a party, you don't sit down and expect to be entertained. You go in there and you add to the fun of the party. So sometimes they say, ba't ang daldal mo?
No, but diba also, that's
Shy na
also,
madaldal talaga.
that's also in our culture, diba yung, hoy, Nicole, kasi also as a little girl, they're like, Nicole, you dance for tita ganito. You dance
Ay,
for
yeah.
ninong ganyan, right? Diba laging
Diba? So
uso
ginagawa mo
yun.
naman.
Uto-uto.
Only child ka rin.
Yeah, uto-uto rin ako. Pero I was very entrepreneurial. My mom said, as a little girl daw, I would say, bayad muna.
Wow, very good girl.
And then they give me 5 pesos, 2 pesos,
okay
like
na.
that.
Ako na, kaya, that's your career.
Yeah.
Diba? You're a host, you entertain. Ako naman, I was fat, right? So, at saka feeling ko, ang pangit ko. So, but I discovered, kasi ang hilig ko sa sweets.
Okay.
So, I love cookies, cake, chocolates, diba? And I got to the point where I had to make it myself para I have my own supply.
Smart.
So I was baking siguro at 5 or 6 years old. And I was really diligent in making cakes. And then that's why also I got fatter and fatter because I would
So
make
you
and
were
eat.
selling
But
also.
7 years old. But I would bring it to school.
Smart.
And then I became the most popular girl in school.
Why?
Because I'm giving everybody cake and cookies
okay.
and whatever. So I learned early to buy love.
Oh.
Diba?
Nabibili.
Yeah, my mom would go
Okay.
to the States, buy me all sorts of things, and I would give it away.
Yeah.
And so I'll be popular, diba? So,
Okay.
parang now, Hayden's always getting mad at me. Kasi, when we started Bella Medical Group, I only had about maybe 10 endorsers, 5. I mean, my first endorser talaga showbiz is Regine.
Okay.
Then it became Pops, I think Lucy Gomez, Jaja
God,
Padilla.
icons.
Basta yung mga ganon. So, of course, I could afford to give them. I love to make people happy. And then, number one thing was to give you your first Chanel or your first Vuitton or your first
Yeah.
whatever. Kaya mo yun kasi 10 lang naman sila.
Tama.
Pero ngayon we have 180.
That's so much.
So he looks at me like, why can't you stop? Why can't you stop buying? We have to downgrade kasi it's too mahal na what you're doing.
But also, Doc, I
What?
think I'm noticing, and a lot of people don't know this kasi about Doc Bello, is that a lot of people know that you're successful and that you're very forward and you're matapang, right? You're not afraid to speak your mind, but you're also very generous with everyone around you.
Ay,
And I
nako.
really noticed that.
Well, I think it's not, generous also, but I keep looking back. Well, first of all, because I love being fairy godmother. Whether it is making you beautiful, making you thin, making your skin nice, whatever. Parang feel ko yung fairy tale na, shing! Maganda
Yeah.
ka na. That's why my favorite fairy tale is Cinderella, right? But also, because I really love the look on the faces, if I give them something that they don't have, that's exciting, it's
Yeah.
delightful, right? But I really cannot afford it, pero hindi pa ako makapigil. So Hayden goes, where does this come from? Why
Yeah.
can't you just, because there can be other things you give.
Exactly.
For me personally, I am very happy with small things, di ba?
Yeah.
Na pinag-isipan. Na
Yeah.
it's really for me, hindi naman yung generic gift for all.
Yes.
Pero parang for me, since I started that way, I guess the buy your love thing is also there na I can't bring it back na
Yeah.
murahin yung regalo ko. Hindi
No,
ako marunong.
I think also it can be one of your love languages.
Definitely.
Diba? They
Gifting.
say physical touch, words of affirmation. Yours can be gifting, and that's totally
Gifting.
fine naman. Ang ano mo kasi, Doc, ibang level ka na eh. Bongga ka na mag-gift, kaya siya mahal.
Kaya nga, ayoko na. Go
Pwede
down,
naman
go
natin
down.
ibalik sa cupcakes or sa cookies, diba? Back to your roots. But I wanted to ask you, now that you're in the stage of life that you're in, what is one thing you wish you knew when you were younger? Or what advice would you give your younger self?
I think I wasted so much time. You know Garlic Garcia?
Yes, I love her.
So anyway, it's her
friendly.
birthday. It was her birthday yesterday. And then I wasted a lot of my life crying, feeling bad over the fact that I was given away. Okay. I'm very, very happy. And if I could rewrite my life, I would never not want to be a Bello. So if God gave me a choice, like, do you want to stay with your Cancho parents or do you want to be with the Bellos? Of course, I love my Bello parents. Like, they're really my parents. You
Yeah.
know, for me, my mother Cancho is my aunt. And she gave birth to me. But yet, there's this big hole inside me na parang, why am I... So the adopted issue, when I talk about it, I'll start to tear.
Yeah.
And that's also why I hate my birthday. No one is allowed to greet me on my birthday because that's the day they gave me away. Because
Yeah.
I was never with the conscious. The moment I was born, see, I'll cry. But I said, why? But now, but it doesn't matter so much. I still cry, but it's not... I wasted so much time. You know, like, I wonder about you going back to being single. My thing kasi is I always wanted to have a lot of suitors.
Naiiyak din
Oo,
ako.
I wanted to have so many people in love with me na parang I feel more love. But then I'm always insecure, so I'm always trying to earn their love.
Yeah.
So it's always like there's no relaxed moment that like you just love me and I just love you.
Yeah.
It's always like, how can I make this person happy?
Yeah.
What else can I do? Kasi baka he won't love me if I don't do this. And then to be separated, parang, oh my God, di ba? Parang I tried so hard, hindi
Yeah.
pa rin enough. So it's such a treadmill. Yeah, I'm crying now. But so I think since I'm Christian and I know God loves me and that I'm enough by myself, I don't have to earn
Yeah.
people's
You're
love.
enough.
And that if people don't love you just for being you,
Naiiyak ako.
yeah, you shouldn't end up with this person because if you have to try so hard
Yeah.
to be loved,
Yeah.
then he's not the right one, di ba? Ayan, may
Oh,
tears
do
na.
we have tissue?
Tissue.
Yeah.
Oo.
No, but it's true. I think that's
And you know what? I think a lot of our listeners can really resonate with that because a lot of DMs of these young girls message me and they say, I feel like I did everything I could. I did everything naman, but like, why does he
Kulang pa
cheat?
rin.
Or why did, but kulang, or why didn't it work out and you're holding on? And I feel like we're so lucky now to be in an age and to also hear from other people who've been through that. Na it's not, most of the time, it's not even about you. It's about
Really,
them.
It's about them.
And they're releasing whatever unhealed trauma they have on you. So,
But like in your case, so your parents are separated.
yes.
How did that affect your relationships?
I think, you know what? Same. Na I saw, well, I think there are many layers to this, but two that really stick out to me in the past relationships, plural, that I've been in, is that I found the first one, I was so afraid to lose him. Because nga, I wanted to prove, actually both of them, I wanted to prove to my parents
two
na,
serious ones.
yes, and I wanted to prove to my parents and to myself na I can make something work even if my parents didn't. Like
Okay.
parang because I want to give my future children a complete family.
Yun,
Because I
diba?
never had that. So
Okay.
parang kung ano yung wala sa akin, gusto kong ibigay sa kanila.
Right.
So kapag nakikita ko na kahit masama na, toxic na, ayokong bumitaw. Like, ayoko
Kaya ko
talaga.
tong ayusin.
Kakayanin ko lahat.
Oh.
Pero, na-realize ko, I think, as we get older na kahit kinakaya mo lahat, kung ayaw kayanin nung kabila, hindi talaga
Mitch,
mag-work.
akin na yung tissue.
Yes.
Ako yung sinisipon na dito.
Yeah. So, I think for me, grabe nagkaiyakan tayo. But,
First episode.
I know,
yan.
first episode. I think now we're able to have conversations like this that helps heal our inner children, right? And that to remind us that it takes two to tango, and you can't do it all yourself.
So what would you tell your younger self?
Oh my gosh! Here we
I
go.
answered it na.
Okay, what would I tell my younger self? I think I would tell her that rather than spending so much time focusing and loving these people around you, wala nang natira sa'yo. So, leave some for yourself.
Okay.
Yeah. Kasi, the first one, the 5 years, yun talaga yung nawasak ako. Kasi wala nang natira eh. When he walked away, when he left, wala na. Para akong saan ako pupulutin. Like, I really didn't
my
know. I
gosh,
felt
okay.
so lost.
How old were you then?
I was also a lot younger. I was in my early 20s or mid-20s. So parang I really felt like, oh my God, I had pictured my whole life now with this guy. At to a point na nag-sit down na ako sa developer ng bahay, bibili na ako ng bahay for us.
Ikaw pang bibili.
Ako pa daw bibili. Bibilin ko na yung lupa. Ganun ko siya kamahal. Gusto ko bigay lahat. And I think na-realize din niya na parang sabi ko, okay, if this is our plan, I will do everything. Ako uutang sa bangko. Ako lahat.
Wow.
Ganon. Tapos siguro naawa na rin siya sa akin na sabi niya, don't, before you sign those papers, don't na, wag na.
Wow.
So, yeah.
I guess it's decent.
Yes. I'm not see, you know what? I am so thankful talaga. Like, I'm really thankful even with all of my past relationships. I'm thankful that it didn't work out because in the end, it would have been messier eh. Kung pinilit ko pa.
Yeah, then you would be
Diba?
separated down the line. You
Yeah.
might have kids pa.
Yun pa, tas baka may masaktan pa akong kids along the way. So parang for me, okay na rin to. Buti na lang. And I know, honestly, I don't know why, Doc, siguro sa kaka-exosomes mo sa akin, iba yung confidence ko last year and this year na parang, meron pa dyan eh. Meron pa.
For sure. And you have to
I'm
know
not
that.
worried.
And you know your value now, right?
Now, yes. Thank
Okay.
you. Thanks to you.
So even somebody as beautiful as you, as smart and as accomplished, nakakatulong pa rin when you look better.
Super! Super talaga. Because, and honestly, let's be honest naman, you don't always wake up looking 100%. There are days
Right,
na,
of course.
diba? Or like during the holidays, I gained weight, or sometimes I'll break out, or if I sunod-sunod yung mga projects ko, wala akong tulog, it really shows. And then, because in our industry, we're also so face forward, right? It makes you less confident, or it just affects your mood sometimes. So it really does help me knowing that not only do I have a great support system in you and Doc Hayden and my friends, that I can go to you guys for advice when I feel weak or when I feel lost, but I can also go to you guys to feel better, like physically.
Yeah, well, talking about myself, I'm 66, but this is the first time in my life since I was 18 that I'm this weight. Diba? So I've always been 10 pounds overweight. Not fat, but even those 10 pounds, right? When you try the clothes on, parang, do I look fat? I'm always asking that question. Pictures, I don't know pa naman how to angle, but I refuse to be at the edge of the picture kasi I will look fat.
It will widen you.
And then my colors, parang now it's so cool just after losing 10 pounds. Parang anything I put on just fits, hindi na siya.
Iba na yung
Alam mo yun?
confidence.
Yeah, it really adds. So I think I always tell people, you make fun of people who are into Bello, for example. A lot of people judge and say, ay, how vain naman.
Yeah.
Ay, ganyan. What matters is on the inside. But you can't, for me, personally, my confidence or my real personality was too shy to come out because I was so self-conscious of my appearance.
Yeah.
Like when I had a lot of pimples, when I'm talking to people, I'm thinking, siguro they're looking at my face and they see all my pimples and then my oiliness and
That's
they
the
think
insecurity
I'm dirty
stalking.
or something. So I would cover my face with my hair para lang. And then, or when I go to a party, alam mo na mga Pilipino may pagka-mean.
Yes.
In that sense, they don't mean it. But
They always make banggit.
Yeah. Uy, ang taba mo ngayon.
Yes.
Kakapasok mo lang ha. Parang gusto ko na umikot and umuwi.
Hindi ka pa buwelo.
Hindi ka pa nga tama.
Wala pang buwelo, may
ngayon
atake na.
Oh, you're so thin. Oh, you're so
Yeah.
sexy. Parang, yes.
Yes, nakaka-boost
So
talaga
I feel
siya.
it's even better. I mean, I know you need a psychologist sometimes, but also, this one is parang faster.
No, and it's
The
parang,
confidence it gives.
it's supplements. It doesn't mean it's the only thing. Pero it can
but
add.
it definitely brings you halfway already.
Yes,
You know how
it
they
definitely
say, I want to have a lipo kasi I just want to have a jump start.
Yeah.
I think just looking good is a jump start to feeling you more confident or
And
secure
then
in
it trickles
yourself.
down. It
Yeah,
trickles into every
exactly.
avenue.
So wag nyo na kami i-judge. I think that's just what I want to say kasi di ba yung mga ayaw magpagawa?
But
I actually
also, even
salute
if they
them.
judge, Doc,
Oh,
yan mo na sila.
okay. Basta kung may
Diba?
maganda.
We're
Okay.
enough. And more than enough.
We're more than enough. That's going to be
Exactly.
our 2024. What is your sentence for the year?
We're thriving. We're thriving.
Okay.
How about you? What's yours?
What is mine? I think mine, because I'm older, it's more really spiritual. I get so affected, I think, from gossip or people saying things about me, which are not true.
Yeah.
But, I realize they don't mean to be mean. They just have nothing to talk about.
Exactly. No, sometimes they're just
And
bored.
they're just bored. And so they
Yeah.
make comments about him. Parang, why? I'm good. No, you get into this whole thing. But now, my is when I hear things, I'm always like, when God is with you, who can be against you? Or no weapon will thrive.
Yeah.
So that's always my thing. Then I feel better. Because I'm really working on having a relationship with Jesus Christ all day long. Because before, I'll pray in the morning, I'll pray at
Yes.
night. But that's not really what I realize He wants. He just really wants to be a part of my life na,
Yeah.
parang, Lord, what will I do now? Yung ganun lang.
Yeah.
Prayer na yun, di ba? So I'm much happier and more joyful.
You're more
Because
content.
Scarlett and I were just discussing what is joy, what is happiness. And she
What
doesn't
is
really
it,
get the difference.
Doc? Explain
So
it to her.
happiness is, for example, I get something that I wanted for a really long time. Let's just say, what brings me happiness usually is a Hermes Birkin bag or an
Okay.
Hermes na gusto ko yung color, yung mga hard to get.
Yes.
Happy.
Happy.
Yeah. But then in 1 hour, I forget about it.
Kasi
And
you
then-
want the next bag.
Yeah, or you want the next bag, or it was just a time, maybe one day.
Yeah.
But a joy is no matter what happens. You're loved by the Lord, and you're just so. I mean, that is such an amazing that the Lord of the earth created the world and everything. Is actually loves me. So I'm always joyful, even if I go down a bit. Diba? Parang the maintenance level is. I can shake myself out of it because I
Yes.
know that, the Holy Spirit is with me, or I'm joyful because God loves me. So that's where I am already.
You
so,
have that strong foundation.
yeah, and I want Sana Scarlett to be there, but I don't know if it's an age-related thing.
I think it happens. She'll learn as she grows, diba? Like, hello, we won't have it all figured out naman at,
Oo nga. But for your
15,
kids, you always
20.
want them not to suffer.
Yes.
But you cannot really talk to
can't
them about
control.
life's lessons. Kailangan ma-experience nila.
But you can relate to it because you are where you are because you also went through a hard
Yes,
time.
that's really what
right?
builds character.
It builds character. So I think that's great that you are allowing her to make her own
But
mistakes.
it's hard, ha?
I'm sure.
Okay, when you're a parent, no.
Tsaka na yun, Doc, pwede boyfriend muna? Parent agad? One
Is
by
there
one.
anybody in your life na medyo
Super
kino-consider mo?
for the first time, before, I would lie. And I would say, wala, kahit na. Kunwari, deny.
Bakit?
Hindi, wala lang. Kasi syempre, kasi minsan hindi ko pa naka-decide kung sino yung
And you
gusto
want
mo,
it a little
diba?
more private. Give
Yes.
it time to grow.
Pero ngayon, I can confidently say, honest to God, wala. Zero.
Wala. And you're happy.
Yes.
And
As
content.
in, walang ka-text. Zero good morning, zero.
Kumain ka na ba?
Walang ganon. Zero at all. Kasi ang focus ko talaga, and I think it was a switch that happened towards the end of last year, is really focus on my career, this podcast, and just all my goals what do I want in my life? I'm gonna go for it.
Galing.
So,
congratulations. It's
Pero
the
not
best
to say,
Na
kung
you're
meron
not
naman
open.
dyan,
Oo, meron naman.
Diba?
So all the guys, kasi you want to know, everybody kasi wants, may listahan kasi si Haida ng mga girls, tapos may listahan siya ng mga guys.
Yes.
Pero yung listahan namin ng guys, yata kay Haida, 3 lang yata. Pero yung girls, ang dami, mga 25, di ba?
Yeah.
Pero yung number 1 niya palagi ikaw, kasi ikaw ang pambato niya, na parang hindi ako mapapahiya. Pag si Nicole lang ibibigay ko as a date, di ba?
Doc, that's true. And I believe it because I get phone calls from people who overhear, Manila so small. And we'll be around, let's say you guys are out of town or anywhere you are. They'll be like, I passed by the table of Doc Hayden and Doc Vicky, and for some reason they were talking about you. Naririnig. And then nakakarating sa akin, they're like, Nicole, grabe, nirereto ka nila dun sa guy na to. Ganyan. And I'm like, who's the guy? Is he cute?
Hinis nga ako kay Hayden kasi di ba he's making reto with my nephew, who's really wonderful by the way. Pero overkill naman. So when you make reto, do not overpromise and
Yes.
underdeliver. It's
Just
better
say,
to
okay lang siya.
underpromise. Yeah, so ang gwapo nito, ang ganyan. Sabi ko, yan, mali ka naman. Ba't mo ginagawa yan? Kasi, of course, when you say gwapo, to me Brad Pitt level na ang
Yon.
what goes
Yun
in my
na.
mind,
Tama.
di ba? At saka, or Piolo Pascual.
Piolo,
So,
yeah.
hindi, kahit gano'ng kagwapo pa yung tao, medyo pababa. Mas
Tama.
maganda sabihin mo, okay lang. Tapos pagdating, gwapo pala.
Okay.
O di, happy ka.
So kung may
Diba?
nakikinig dito, guys, okay lang ako. Sakto lang tayo. Sakto lang.
Sakto lang, okay.
Okay, Doc. Oh my gosh, time flew by. I didn't realize 40 minutes na tayo. Okay,
How long is
wrap-
your podcast ba?
Yeah, well, this is perfect. We haven't had a dull moment. But I want to ask, since we can end it in this one, na, a lot of women globally, not just in our country, and myself included, really look up to you, not just with your career and your family and how prayerful you are, but also the type of woman that you show up to be and the people around you. But I want to know, who does Vicky Bello look up to?
Who do I look up to? Honestly, it's a very corny answer, but it's my mom.
Your mom.
My mom, Bello, and my dad, Bello also. I think my mom, I always question God. I go, my mom was so wonderful. Why am I not? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I mean, I know I'm okay, but she was the most giving, she had so much integrity. I mean, growing up, it's so nice to know that you can be so proud of your parents. Because wherever I go, now I'll cry again, they always say, your dad's so good. He's the most gentlemanly person and so righteous. Or my mom, I remember I was 11 years old and we went to Paris. I mean, just to show you how, things I can tell about my mom. My mom, we had so many helpers, right? And she would always encourage them to go abroad for a better life.
Yeah.
And I would always think, oh my gosh, it's so hard to find good people,
Yeah.
right? Kasi me, I won't encourage you.
Don't leave me.
Yeah, parang stay, I'll pay you higher. Of course, I cannot pay naman like Europe or whatever. But she would encourage them to leave. She would help them, buy them the ticket, get them a job. And then, when they're abroad, mga 20 of them, they would send her their money. And she
Wow.
would make bank accounts for them.
Oh, that's so
save the
nice.
money for them.
Yeah.
Para nobody, and then she would be the one to give their family when they come, kasi if sometimes when you give it to the family,
Nawawaldas.
nauubos ka agad, di ba?
Yes.
So she will make sure it's tama.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's one. I'm like, wow, to have the time to do that, I'm sorry, I will never have the time to do that. Number two, we were in Paris, and she bought shoes. She loves Christian Dior. She bought shoes. It's Dior na lang, but
Yeah.
at that time, Christian Dior. She would buy shoes. When we got back to the hotel, she said, oh my gosh, sabi niya, they gave me too many shoes. Kasi see, it's her fault I shot. She tried on shoes, and parang she didn't buy one. She checked the bill, hindi naman siya na-charge.
Okay.
Pero nilagay yung shoes sa kanyang bag.
Sobrahan.
So the next day, bumalik kami sa store.
Binalik
niya. So she went, and they couldn't understand kasi akala nila nagrereklamo siya. Kasi wala namang tao na, kung binigay mo sa akin, kasalanan nyo. And actually, in stores, sometimes insurance covers that.
Oh, good
But she
to know.
couldn't sleep. So binalik niya sa store, and she said, no, you gave me an extra pair, I'm giving it back to you. And I remember one English person who could speak English in that store said, wow, an honest person. And it was like 40 years ago. But to me, my mom, talagang so supportive, so loving. If I can even be up to like this of what she was, I think I would be so fulfilled in my life. But whenever I always ask myself, what would mommy do? What would mommy say? So ganun yung
So it's really-
right? It's really, and it's so nice that, if you grow up with somebody like that.
Yeah.
Kasi far away, I don't really know how they are. I mean,
True.
they might be wonderful on the world stage, but really at home.
That's true. You
Diba?
don't know their true ugali.
And you?
Who
Your
do I
turn.
look up to? Well, of course, you, Doc.
Sige na nga. Diba? No, I have to tell you this, Nicole. Ang tagal kinort ni Hayden. Ayaw magbelo, di ba?
hindi naman sa ayaw.
Kasi yung buong barkada niya, nasa belo na, we always see you in parties.
Yes.
And you're the only one who wasn't going to us. And then Hayden goes, why doesn't Nicole go to belo? And of course, we need a host. Diba? And you're the best host. I remember in Ann Curtis's wedding.
Yeah.
I mean, Ann can choose any host in the world. Pero si Nicole nag-host ng wedding. Ang galing-galing mo.
Thank you,
And we're always wondering, ba't wala siya sa belo?
No, you know what? I've always wanted to be part. Kasi also, syempre, I felt na, lahat sila nandun, wala pa ako. But I really felt bad because I'm a very loyal person.
Okay.
And I felt that I felt so bad leaving my previous derma clinic because they've taken care of me for so long. So parang, I don't know, I was just so conflicted na I felt so bad, diba?
Oh,
So
that's a good trait there.
Yeah, but that's why I was like, oh my God, I don't know.
And then, what made you finally decide to move? Simon.
Mond.
Si Mon talaga ang influencer sa grupo nila.
Yes, Mond
Diba?
is the one who tells all of us, do this, don't take this project, don't do that, take this.
Talaga?
Yeah.
And he's usually right.
Most of the time, yes.
You know, they're together in Milan right now.
Oh my gosh, you
Yeah,
know,
Hayden and Mon. So I'm here because they're doing Milan Fashion Week. O, diba?
Doc, I accidentally woke Doc Hayden up at 6 a.m. Kanina.
Di, okay lang.
I didn't know. Anyway, okay, wait. So we'll wrap it up. Thank you so much, Doc, for
Thank
being
you.
on the podcast.
Congratulations on finally doing your podcast.
Thank you. I'm so nervous.
And I
so
really
excited.
love I think they admire you because a lot of people I think who are single, I feel, and it really bothers me that there's a desperate sometimes in the desperation na parang they should be married. Guys, it's much better to be single and happy than to be married to somebody who is not the right person or who is tamad-tamad or who doesn't work. When you see warning signs, I'm telling you already, if they show you who they are, maniwala ka na, okay?
Believe
And
them.
whatever negative traits that they have, and there's nobody perfect, it will get worse when they're married. Okay, so you have to know that these are traits you can live with times 10.
Keep that in mind before you take the plunge.
Yes, exactly.
All right. Thank you so much, Doc. And guys, let us know what you think. If you guys enjoyed this episode, please share it with someone who you think would enjoy it as well. Make sure, I don't know if you can like, comment, and subscribe on here, or please do leave a review, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.